Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 389. Let's make note of the time. It is now 11:08 p.m. on August 17th. About 8 minutes after Winnipeg, the final team would have been sold. This did end August 17, 2021, and it is for one box of extended series. It is box 9 of 12, all from the same case, sealed case, and it is our second case that we're going through. The serial number you see there was listed in all 31 NHL listings, and we will be sure to show that before we open up the box. There are a few new guys with me, so we're just going to go over the rules really quickly. Let's pick on Chthonic 1409, and let's pretend Florida is the only team he owns. I'm going to open up this box. The experience has been, out of the 24 packs, 1 pack is dead, and 23 packs have a hit inside. Those are the 23 cards that will be mailed out. And if there are any Florida Panther cards, I'm going to mail them to Chthonic 1409 to a shipping address on eBay. So please make sure your shipping address is current and correct. In the unfortunate event that there are no Florida Panther cards, I'm going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Chthonic 1409 because there was nothing to mail. I know he paid 50 cents for the team, but that is a small collection for the amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with extended series. And if you do have a hit coming to you, please be patient. Your cards will arrive, but COVID has slowed down the process. Email me with any questions you may have, but let's get to it. Acadian Grand owns the Tampa Bay Lightning. Chthonic 1409 has the Panthers, the Predators, the Devils, the Islanders, the Penguins, the Sharks, the Blues, the Leafs, the Vegas Golden Knights, and the Winnipeg Jets. Dajas 49 has the Canucks. Fast Forward Fish, the second, has the Stars. Gamecocks 35 has the Senators. Hexer owns the Rangers. Jacob Bia has the Ducks. Nuxoakman has the Coyotes and the Kings. Sergeant B has the Bruins, the Flames, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Jackets, the Red Wings, the Oilers, the Canadiens, the Flyers, and the Washington Caps. Shazam has the Sabres and the Wild. And Tuck Stuff owns the Colorado Avalanche. Now, if you're brand new, I would have sent you an email just to make sure we're all on the same page. If you haven't already, please email me back. Letting me know that you understand what breaks are, and just so we can get an understanding of each other. Again, if you subscribe to YouTube 1313 Milan Soccer, you'll be notified when a break is posted. However, if you don't, no worries. I do send you the link via email after the break is completed. All right? So let's remember the serial number 659407 as we switch over to the webcam. And let's get that out of the way first. 659407, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Good luck, everyone. We are all systems go. And this product has been fun. There's been always some sort of Easter egg or unexpected hit per box. So you're not always waiting for the case hit. It feels like there's a case hit in every box. However, we don't know what the case hit is going to be every time. Some are better than others, but nonetheless, this has been really fun and a lot of nice little Easter eggs to go through. All right, good luck, everyone. Here we go. Again, this is box 9. 10, 11, and 12 are posted for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I hope to see you on those as we close out the case. Our first hit is a Tyler Seguin 506 Retro. Congratulations to Dallas. There's 4 of those per box. One of them lands on a rookie. Except for the time I hit a 5th one, which ended up being an exclusive Carey Price. Young gun incoming for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Alex Doreo. Congratulations to Pittsburgh. We have a Matthew Barzal SPX Finite. Congratulations to the Islanders. We are looking for suit variants or NHL All-Star variants. And French variants. Young gun incoming for your... Oh, wow. It's the see-through one. And it can't be see-through as the other ones because it is the checklist. Congratulations. We're going to have to randomize between the Florida Panthers and the LA Kings. That is a big hit. So far, the clear cuts have all landed on just base cards. Nice to land on a Young Gun and a checklist one version of it as well. So we're not going to break the integrity of the break. We are going to finish the break and then randomize at the end. I don't want to leave the camera exposed. All right. Leon Draisaitl pointing at the net. I'm going to hold that one aside because that might be the alternate variation. There's some all-star variations. If it is, that's the card that gets shipped out, but we will know more once we open up the rest of the packs. If all the rest of the packs have a hit. Alex Hepanyemi, congratulations, Florida. This box is being fantastic. Alexei Hepanyemi, big hit for the Florida Panthers. If all the other packs have a hit, then we'll know that's just a base card, but I'll look it up later anyways. It's easier when they're just in their suit, but they did some all-star variants, and it's hard to remember them all. 506, Steven Stamkos. Oh, there's a card stuck behind it. Congratulations, back-to-back Stanley Cup winner. Happy for him. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. That is our second 506 card. Like I said, there's 4, and one of them lands on a rookie. Young gun incoming for your New Jersey Devils, Mikhail Maltsev. Congratulations to the Devils. Just going to make sure that we don't time out here. And we have Tuukka Rask, our third 506 variation. Congratulations to Boston. Variant Francais, Derek Stepan for your Ottawa Senators. So we hit our French variant. Congratulations to Ottawa. Alex Pietrangelo, Ultimate Victory for your Vegas Golden Knights. I forget that he went to Vegas. We have a Alexander Romanov out of 1,000 pros and prospects. Congratulations, Montreal. These pros and prospects are not in every box. Nice hit for the Canadians. Young gun incoming for your Boston Bruins, Callum Booth. Here is the 506 Retro for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Not bad. Cal Foote. There is the retro rookie we've been waiting for. Now we have 4 of those cards. Liam Foudy, rookie, Columbus Blue Jackets. Oh boy. It's like a spider just came crawling up on me. Sorry, guys. So this is the dead pack. So maybe that Leon Draisaitl is the variant. We will look that up because this pack is clearly a no-hit pack and there's no all-star cards. So we will look that up at the end of the break. Doesn't look like a familiar card, so that may be an Edmonton Oilers hit. We will take a look at cardboard connections once the break is done, and we still have to randomize that card. Ian Mitchell, Chicago Blackhawks. Holo FX. Niels Hoglander, Holo FX for your Vancouver Canucks. Young gun incoming for your Montreal Canadiens, Hayden Verbeek. Looks like Pat Verbeek. I'm not sure the relationship there, if there is any. Patrick Kordorenko for your New York Rangers. Young Guns. Rookie class, Nick Robertson for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Rookie class, Cal Foote for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Two packs to go. Then we'll randomize, and we'll look up that Edmonton Oilers Leon Draisaitl. Bo Horvat, Ultimate Victory for your Vancouver Canucks. Final pack. Again, guys, thank you. Hope to see you guys tomorrow night. Ovations, Niels Hoglander. Thought it looked a little different, but it's just a regular Ovations, Premier Prospects for your Vancouver Canucks. So I'm assuming that this card is the variant, but we're going to check now. Just bear with me as I load up the internet, and I'll get you guys over to the screen. Cardboard connections. Okay, I'll bring you guys over with me. And I am looking at not the tributes, not the tribute Young Guns, not the 3D, not the Dazzlers. We didn't get one of those in these packs. Not the Holo FX rookies, not the Ionics, not the McDavid, not the Ovation. Where are the suit variants? Control find suit. Here we go. It is Leon Draisaitl, 677. That is the card, my friend. So this card is going out. That is the case hit variant. Leon Draisaitl in a black jersey. So that takes care of that. And now we're going to do the randomization. And Florida was first. Florida Kings. Florida Kings. We're going to randomize 3 times. The team at the top will be the owner of that beautiful clear-cut checklist. Randomizing once, randomize a second time, and a third and final time. Florida. Congratulations to Florida. They own that card. And now we're going to sign off with the time. 11:23 p.m. Thanks, guys. And I hope to see you guys in tomorrow night's break.